Good morning, students. Today we will start the algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equation. We have three methods total. Algebraic methods are three. First is substitution method, second will be elimination method, and third is cross method. From that first method, substitution method, we will discuss today. Step 1 will be here. We will find the value of one variable, say y, in term of other variable, that is x, from this given equation. From any equations, from which one is easy, from that you will find, or you can find x in term of y also. Then substitute this value of y in the other equation and reduce it to an equation in one variable in term of x, which can be solved, and we find the value of x, and then substitute the value of x obtained in step 2 in the equation used in and find the value of y. So in this way we can find the value of x and y. Look here we have substitute the value of one variable by expressing it in term of the other variable to solve the pair of linear equation. That is why the method is known as the substitution method. Look here, students, here we have to solve 3 by 2x minus 5 by 3y equal to minus 2 and x upon 3 plus y upon 2 equal to 13 by 6 by substitution method. Look here these are given pair of linear equations in two variable, and we have to use here substitution method. And in substitution method, shortcut, look here, first you understand what we do in substitution method. We find first y equal to in term of x, y equal to in term of x, then we find whatever you get in the other equation, and then you solve that equation and you will find x. Then that x you will put here in y equal to whatever you have, there you put the value of x, and then you will find the value of y. In this method you will find the value of x and y. Very simple method. Okay, so look here, first these two equations are given in some complicated form, so first you change in a simplest form. How we can change? Write this question, then you take LCM. LCM is 6, you get here 9x minus 10y equal to minus 2, cross multiply 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12. This is equation number 1. Similarly, here you take the LCM. LCM is 6. So 2x plus 3 2 ja 6 means 2 3 ja 6 means 3y equal to 13 upon 6. These 6 and 6 cancel. 2x plus 3y equal to 13. So from this, which equation is simple equation? Anyone can say yes, this is the simple equations. So from here you find the value of x or y, any value you can find. So I will find here y equal to, so you transfer this 2x on right hand side, so 13 minus 2x. Now y equal to what we get, 13 minus 2x upon 3, or you can write 1 upon 3, both is correct. And this is equation number 3. This equation 3 you put in equation 1. Look here, this equation 1 you have to put, solve, put this y equal to in other equations. So y equal to what you get, that you put in equation 1. So put here this value in equation 1. What we get, look here, 9x minus 10, and y, place of y we put 13 minus 2x upon 3 equal to minus 12. Now you take LCM. Here is what is 1, so LCM is what is 3. So 9 3 ja 27x minus 10 13 minus 2x equal to minus 12. This you have to multiply 1 only, because this 3 as it is we have. Now cross multiply and open this bracket. 27x minus 130 minus and minus plus and 20x equal to 3 into 12 36. 20 and 27 both are the like terms. You can add these, you get 47x equal to 130. You can transfer 130 minus 36. So you will subtract 36 from here, you will get 94. So you can write here, we get x equal to, what we get, x equal to 47x equal to 94, and 94 you divide by 2, 47. 47 1 ja 47, 47 2 ja. So x equal to 2 you get. X equal to, what we do, you find x and then put x in a y equal to that we have in a equation 2. Means here you put this y equal to x equal to 2 in equation 1. Put x equal to 2 in equation 3. In 3 you put. So look here, what we get, y equal to 13 minus 2 into 2 upon 3. This you get 2 2 ja 4. So 13 minus 4 is 9. 9 upon 3 means 3. So what you get, answer we get x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So hope you understand this. This is a very simple solution. First you will write in a simple form, and then from any simple equation you find the value of x or y. No problem, you can find x and y. Y we find this, y you put in equation 1, and here place of y you put this value. You solve this, you will get the value of x. That x again you put here, you get the value of y. So this type you can solve this. Now look here, one more questions we have. Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3. So it is a very simple question, and we use here substitution method only. First equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 11. Second equation is 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. Look here, from here this all number 2x, 4 and 24, this can be divided by 2. If you want, you can take 2 common from here. You get x minus 2y equal to minus 24. This 2 you can transfer. You get x minus 2y equal to minus 24 upon 2, that is minus 12. And now you can transfer the 2y also. 2y you can also transfer, so 2y will come plus minus 12. This is equation number 1, and this you can say equation number 2. This x equal to you get put in equation 1. This you can put in equation 1. So look here, input equation 1, place of x we have to put 2y minus 12 plus 3y equal to 11, and here you multiply this 4y minus this 2 also you multiply, both you have to multiply, minus 24 plus 3y equal to 11. 4y and 3y we get 7y equal to 24, you can transfer. So 11 plus 24, 7y equal to 35, and y equal to 5. And y equal to 5 you put in equation 2. Put in equation 2. So place of, look here, x equal to 2 and place of y you put 5. Place of y you put 5 minus 12. So x equal to 5 to the 10 minus 12, that we get minus 2. Now we get the answer x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5. Now look at some more things you have to find. Find the value of m for which this. So you can put this y equal to mx plus 3, and place of y you put 5. Place of y 5. Place of x we put minus 2 and plus 3. This you have to solve. Transfer this 5 in left hand side, minus 2m, and this will be 2. This you get 2 equal to minus 2m. So what you get, m equal to 2 upon minus 2, that is minus 1. So answer we have m equal to minus 1. So this is a very simple question. Hope you understand this solution. Questions we will do here. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Means taxi charges we have two type. One is a fixed charge. Okay, fixed charge they have to pay, fixed charge together with the charge for the distance cover. So whatever distance cover, for that the charge will be, means two type charge. One is fixed charge and second is on the distance. Two type charge we have. For a distance of 10 kilometer, look here, for 10 kilometer the charge paid is rupees 105. For a distance of 10 kilometer the charge paid is rupees 105. And for a journey of 15 kilometer, the charge paid is 155. What are the fixed charge? Means what you have to find? Fixed charge you have to find, and charge per kilometer you have to find. And some more thing you have to find: how much does a person has to pay for the traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? For 25 kilometer also you have to find the. So look here, what we have to find: fixed charge. So fixed charge we will suppose the fixed charge of the taxi be X rupees, and second we have to charge for per kilometer. So charge for per kilometer is suppose Y rupees. Now look here, for a distance of 10 kilometer he will pay one fixed charge plus 10 Y, and that is equal to 105. And one more equation, for a journey of 15 kilometer he has to pay 155. So X plus 15Y, and that is equal to 155. Look here, these two equations you have to solve, 1 and 2. How we can solve? Look at this. From equation 1 we can find x equal to 105 minus 10y, and that you put in equation 2. Put in equation 2 means x plus 15y equal to 155. There you put, place of x you put this value. Place of x 105 minus 10y plus 15y equal to 155. 15y minus 10y is 5y, and 105 you transfer. So 155 minus 105, that will be 50, and 5y equal to 50, so this you get 10. Y equal to 10. Y means the charge for 1 kilometer is 10 rupees. This you put in equation here. This you can say this is equation 3. Put in equation 3. 3 is x equal to 105 minus 10y. Place of y you will put 10. So you get x equal to 105 minus 100, that is 5 rupees. Means here you get the answer. Fixed charge is, that is x equal to 5 rupees, and charge per kilometer equal to 10 rupees. Now we have to find the charge for 25 kilometer. Charge for 25 kilometer, that he will pay fixed charge plus 25y, and x is here 5 rupees, and 25, and y is here 10 rupees. So you will get total 5 and 255 rupees. Okay, hope you understand this.